Cold Christmas morning. I am the anchor for today. I am Raghav and I will be anchoring today's program. I welcome you all to the first Kala Darpana Trophy, an open category rapid chess competition organized by Kala Darpana Chess Arts affiliated with KSCA. Before we proceed further, can we have a round of applause for Gukesh Brahmaraju, who has made India proud by becoming the first world youngest chess world champion. I'm sure there are many other Gukesh, Pragnanathas and Vishwanathan Anands among the crowd present here. I feel honored to be in the presence of such honored dignitaries. Today with us we have Srimati Soumya and you, the President of BUDCA. We have Shri Lakshman Khorse sir, Rajyotsava Prashasti awardee, and he is a retired journalist and the author of about 50 books, and he has also worked in Prajavani as assistant editor for 34 years. We also have with us Shri R.G. Jairam sir, retired Bosch senior officer and a very known social worker, and he is also one of the board members of the Dwarka Lake Protection Committee. Can we have a round of applause for our esteemed guests who have taken out their valuable time to attend this event, please? I will now request Vinayak Patil sir, the Secretary of Kala Darpana, to welcome the gathering.
So let me, congratulate Gukesh again for becoming the youngest, the world champion. Today I have had, the privilege of some special dignitaries here on the dais. So I know our boy has already introduced everybody. On behalf of Art Reflex Chess Arts and SCMA, I welcome all the dignitaries on the dais, players, and as well as the parents, those who have taken their time to come here to encourage their kids on a holiday. So thank you very much. So let us make this event successful. Thank you very much. As we are running out of time, so I would request Mr. Lakshman to say a few words. Because we are running out of time, we don't want to delay it. So I request the guests also to take very less time to talk.
ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅವರನ್ನು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಕೀಳಿಗೆ ಬಿಡಿಸೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಚದುರಂಗದ ಮನೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅವರನ್ನು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಈಗ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪ್ರತಾಪ ಗುಕೇಶ್ 18 ವರ್ಷದ ಹುಡುಗ ವಿಶ್ವ ಚದುರಂಗದ ಚಾಂಪಿಯನ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಿದ್ದನ್ನ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರದವರಿಗೆ ಪೋಷಕರಿಗೆ ಮುಖೇಶ್ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮತ್ತು ಆದರ್ಶವಾಗಿ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚದುರಂಗದ ಬುದ್ಧಿಮತ್ತೆ ಆಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ ಹಾರೈಸಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಶುಭ
Very good morning to one and all. Respected dignitaries of the dais and team of the arbiters, players, parents. Very good morning once again and wish you happy Christmas Day. Also advanced New Year wishes. All of you know India is became superpower of chess. How many of you are following Mukesh now? Why are you following him? Anybody? Why are you following Mukesh? Yes?
To become a world champion.
Wow. So he is the inspiration. He is the motivation for young children who are all playing chess. Thank you all the parents for supporting your children. Please continue your support. Bring more and more prodigies to the world of chess. It will definitely give you life in future. More than a game, chess is a life. If you feel that and if you implement it in yourself, then definitely you will achieve your goals. Please fix your goals for next year. Focus towards it. Respect what you do. Love what you do. It will definitely give a better life for the future. Thank you for the opportunity and thank you for organizing this tournament. Mrs. Hema Patil, Kaladarpana, Artiflex and SEMA. Please support always to the organizers. Thank you, one and all.
Good morning. It is always difficult to speak the last person because I'll be restricted to the time. Anyhow, as you all know, this chess was originated in the 6th century of our and it is originated in India and our children, they have maintained the heritage of bringing novels and fame to the country. And as you all know, I did not repeat Mukesh and all. I don't know how many more of you Mukesh will follow. And I thank Ms. Hema Patil for having given us this opportunity to be with you all. And I request all the parents to see that they leave the mobile and have this board 8x8 for the moments they want to do and chess is the most thinkable and it's a brain game as cricket and all these are field game, but here you need your chess is a brain game and always you need master in this so we thank you all and request all the parents in future please encourage them to the thank you all.
you all for the Kalatarapana Trophy Open and Age category rapid chess tournament. The tournament pairing will be done using a Swiss manager, as you know, and it will be uploaded to chess results. It is already uploaded in different categories. I request all of you to kindly check. Also, the physical copy is displayed in the corridor. I request all of you to kindly check the category properly and come inside for the hall. Okay, system of play. Okay, 7 rounds Swiss League format. 7 rounds Swiss League format except under 14 and 16. Under 14, 6 rounds. Under 16, 5 rounds. Under 14 and 16, will be playing outside this court. In the right side corridor. Under 14 and 16 play. All others are here. Open here and the first 2 rows. Then under 8, under 10, under 12. You can see there. Under 12, under 10, under 8 and open. I request you to kindly check the board number and take the seat once this is done. At the end of the tournament, if more than one player got the same number of points, tie-break rules will be followed. The tie-break rules are Bukowski 1, Bukowski, SB, direct encounter. Default time is 5 minutes. First round, shall we have full time? Because players are coming from different places. First round, shall we have full time? Approved? Any objection? Any objection? Okay, so that means until the flag fall, you need to wait for the first round. Okay, then only walkover will be considered. Second round onwards, it is 5 minutes. Once the round starts, within 5 minutes you need to come, otherwise you will lose the game. Protest if any. If there are many central arbiters, okay, they will come and listen to your queries and give the decision. If you are not happy with the decision given by the central arbiter, please tell them you want to talk to chief arbiter. Then I will come there, give the ruling. You may not be happy there also, right? So if you are not happy with the decision given by the chief arbiter, you can always go to the appeals committee. I will give some names of the top players of open category. I request you to second it. Anyway, how to go to protest? Protest defending against the decision of chief arbiter. Within 10 minutes of the game, you have to give in writing along with the fee of rupees 1,000. Is it okay? Then appeal committee will decide and their decision is final. Is it clear? Thank you. Now fair play procedures are in place. I request everyone to follow the fair play regulations. That means you are not supposed to carry any electronic devices, any sort of information regarding chess. Wristwatches are not allowed inside the tournament hall. And if it is found, we will lose it. Okay? Now, we have, as per the figure given by you, we have displayed the list of players with pairings. If you see any error in that, please let us know, we will correct it. One player came now, they gave birth year as 2014, accordingly we put it. Now he comes and says, my birth year is 2011. Pairing is already done, isn't it? So I request all of you while checking and entering the data, while registering, please check twice before entering. Okay? And if anybody found any mistakes, please let us know, we will correct it. Rating, PID, gender, name. Once you complete the game, I request you to kindly leave the hall so that we can have a better environment inside the tournament. Okay? Prize, one prize is given to one player to be eligible for the higher prize. I propose the names for the appeal committee: Nihal M. Shetty, Bharati Sarpati, Prabhakar R, Navyasri M. K, Sri Charan Satwik. If you approve, they will be there in appeals committee and they will listen to you. Is it approved? Yeah, Prabhakar R is a veteran player from HL, whose rating is 1640. Are you here, sir? Prabhakar? Prabhakar? Yeah, he will come. Okay. Now, schedule. Shall we have a fixed schedule? It will be better, no confusion, right? So the first round will start at 10, second round 11, third round 12, fourth round 1:30, fifth round 2:30 p.m., sixth round 3:30, seventh round 4:30, and 5:30 p.m. Is it okay? Approved? Yeah, this detail is already uploaded in chat results. I request you to kindly go through with that. Now, this is rapid, so writing is not compulsory. But still, if you want to write, you can write it, but it is not mandatory. If you make illegal, if your opponent makes illegal, what happens? Yeah, if your opponent makes an illegal move, you will get 1 minute of extra sitting time. Second illegal from the same player, he will lose. Okay, is it clear? Now, it's very important. I request parents and players, please note this very important announcement. If you maintain silence, then I'll talk. From 2025 onward, state championship if you want to play, you must play the district championship. Then only you are eligible to play state championship. If you want to play nationals, play in state championship is mandatory. So, while giving the entry for the nationals, if you say that during the state championship I was not well, will not be considered. Playing is compulsory. All players belong to Bangalore Urban District. The district selection for under 7 and under 17 is scheduled on 4th and 5th January. I request everyone to enroll. Otherwise, you will not be allowed to play state championship as well as national. I hope it is clear. Parents, please take note of it. If you are from other state, other district, it applies for them now. Right? Now the pairing is already done. I request all of you to
let me congratulate all the players and the parents for making this event successful. Thank you very much for your patience. On a holiday, people have made up your time and you have come in big numbers. That shows that we have many world champions sitting here and we have creators of world champions here. Give them a big round of applause once again. Because everybody wants to or aspire to become world champions, but without somebody behind, somebody who's striving hard to make the kids world champions, it is not easy to become world champions. So we have many world champions, plus we have creators of world champions here. So thanks a lot once again. Today, I am privileged to introduce some big people on the dais. Let me introduce Mr. T.V. Babu from Anekal. He is a big name in Anekal. He is a big social worker. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಮಾಜ ಸೇವಕರು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಬಾಬು ಅಣ್ಣ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಕರೆಯೋದು. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳಾಗಲಿ ಸಮಾಜಮುಖಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳಾಗಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಬು ಅವ್ರ ನಷ್ಟ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳನ್ನ ಬದಿಗೊತ್ತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂದಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ತುಂಬಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಸರ್. Now I am very happy to introduce an international figure who has taken Kannada folk songs to 40 countries, 40 plus countries. ನಮ್ಮ ಜನಪದ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯವನ್ನ 40 ಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯವನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಅವರು ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕೋನಸ್ವಾಮಿ. In fact, I introduced Dr. M.T. Hanif. He is our well-wisher, the founder of Karnadu TV. Every time we call him, he never says, "Or Vande Mataram is nam ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಬಂದೇ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ." That's a big heart what we have. And you can see he has got a team also to telecast this event. So thank you very much, sir. And last but not the least, the organizer of this event, president of Kaladatna Art Reflex Chess Arts, Hema Vinayak Patil, my best half. And I would like to introduce Archana Nayak, who represents SCMA. So please big round of applause to these ladies. These are the people who have actually organized this. I am just a spokesperson here, but every effort has taken by these people to make this event successful. I will not take much of your time before Mr. Vasan takes over. I request our dignitaries to have few words. So may I request Mr. Konaswamy to have few words.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕೇಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಮುಂದಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಒಳಗಾಗಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ದಯಮಾಡಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಎಲ್ಲರ ಊರು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು, ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಯಾರು ಬಂದಿಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಬದುಕುವವರ ಊರು ಅದು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. ಒಂದು ಅಂದಾಜಿನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನು ಜನ ಹೋಗಲಂತೆ, ಬಾಂಬೆಗೆ ಜನ ಹೋಗಲಂತೆ, ಚೆನ್ನೈಗೆ ಜನ ಹೋಗಲಂತೆ. ಮುಂದೊಂದು ದಿವಸ ಇಡೀ ಭಾರತ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಜನ ನೆಮ್ಮದಿಯಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಗೆಳೆಯರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರು ಬಹಳ ವಿಶಾಲ ಹೃದಯದವರು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳೋದಂದ್ರೆ, ನೀವು ಭಾರತೀಯರಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಆರಾಮಾಗಿರಿ, ಜಗಳ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. ನಮ್ಮ
ಇವತ್ತು ನನಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಾನು ಅವರು ಬಹುದೊಡ್ಡ ಚಿತ್ರಕಾರರು ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹಿಮಾಪತಿದ್ದು ಬರ್ತೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ವಾ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ದಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿತ್ರ ಬರೀತಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಬರ್ದಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಬಹುದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಲಾವಿದರು. ಅಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನೇನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಜನ ಹೇಗೆ ಸೇರಿಸ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದೆ. ನೀವು ಬನ್ನಿ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಬನ್ನಿ ನೋಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ರೆ, ಮೊದಲ ದಿವಸ ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ಯಾಲೇಸ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಜನ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಒಂದು ದಾಖಲೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ನಮಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ನೋಡಿ ಬಹಳ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಬು ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜನ ಸೇರ್ತಾರ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಬರೀ ಹಾಡುಗಾರರು. ಇದು ನನ್ಗೆ ಇವತ್ತುವರೆಗೂ ದೇವರನಿಗೆ ಇದು ಎತ್ತಿರೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಯಾರೋ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಇದು ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತರ ಆಟ. ಇದು ಇವತ್ತು ಹುಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಆಟ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸಾವಿರಾರು ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹುಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಆಟ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಜನಪದವೇ. ಈ ಆಟ ಒಂದು ರೂಪ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ರಾಮಾಯಣ ಮಹಾಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಆಡಿದ್ದು, ಅದು ರೂಪ ಬದಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾತೆಯರು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಮೇಲಿರುವ ಅಭಿಮಾನ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಪುಟಾಣಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ನೀವುಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸು ನೀವು ಚೆಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಅಭಿಮಾನ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ. ಅದರಂತೆಯೇ ನೀವು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋಂಥದ್ದು ನನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಳಕಳಿಯ ಮನವಿ. ನಾವು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನ. ಇದೀಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕಲಾದರ್ಪಣ ಟ್ರೋಫಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಸಹಕಾರ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷವಿದೆ. ಮುಂದೆನೂ ನೀವು ಹೀಗೆ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸ್ತೀರಿ. ನಾವು ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ಈ ತರಹದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನ ಆಯೋಜನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಬೆಂಬಲ ಸಹಕಾರ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೋರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ವಸಂತ್ ಸರ್ ಸಾರಥ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ ಮೂಡಿ ಬಂದು ವಸಂತ್ ಸರ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೂರ್ವಕ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳು.
Let's welcome Captain of the ship, Mr. Vasant. Give him a big round of applause.
Thank you, sir. Are you ready for the prize distribution? Yeah. So the first category is open category. Open category main. Thank you, sir. Are you ready for the prize distribution? Yeah. So the first category is open category. Open category main, above 55, then female players. Okay? Ready? Then youngest boy and youngest girl. So I request the beginners, sir, ನಾವು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಬಹುಮಾನ ವಿತರಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ವಿನ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸರಿ, The winner of Kaladarpana Trophy Open Age category at the tournament is Nihal Shetty, whose rating is 1869. He scored 6.5 points. Give a big round of applause. This is Nihal Shetty, whose rating is 1869. He goes up to 6,000 plus trophy. Give a big round of applause. Yeah. Congratulations, Nihal. I request all the prize winners, please come to the desk as we... Two players got 6 points out of 7 rounds. Pansarthi Sarpati and Akshay Nadi. Based on the better time score, Pansarthi is the first runner. Thank you. Pansarthi, welcome. His rating is 1747 and scored 6 points. He takes home with 4,000 plus trophy. Congratulations. He takes home with his 4,000 plus trophy. Give a big round of applause. Now the second runner up is Akshay Nadi runner. Akshay is 100 player. Yeah, he's 100 player and scored 6 out of 7. Yeah, congratulations. then he takes home rupees 2,500 plus 2. Congratulations, this is Akshay Nare Yana, who scored 6 points, takes home rupees 2,500 plus 2. Congratulations. Now I request all the prize winners, 4 to 8 jewelry. 4th prize goes to Aditya Saxena, scored 5 points. The rating is 1811. Congratulations. Yeah, Aditya Saxena takes home rupees 1,500. Congratulations. 5th place goes to Krishna, whose rating is 1726, scored 5 points. Krishna, please. Yeah, congratulations, Krishna. He also takes home rupees 1,500. 6th place goes to Punit Neri. The rating is 1516, scored 5 points, takes home rupees 1,200. This is Punit Neri. 7th place goes to Abhinav. Abhinav also scored 5 points, takes home rupees 1,200. 8th place goes to Vamsi Krishna, whose rating is 1669. Vamsi. Vamsi Krishna from Telangana, he scored 1669. His rating is 1669, scored 5 points, takes home rupees 1,200. 9th place goes to Aryanand. He also scored 5 points. Congratulations. 10th place goes to Gopika. Very promising player from Bangalore, Gopika. She also scored 5 points. 11th place goes to Sai Maunish Reddy. Sai Maunish, congratulations. Congratulations, Gopika. This is Sai Maunish Reddy. He also scored 5 points. 12th place goes to Prapanchan TS. Hello. Prapanchan TS also scored 5 points. 13th place goes to Satvik Vishwanath. He scored 4.5 points. Congratulations. He also takes home rupees 1,000. 14th place goes to Sampath J. Scored 4.5 points. Takes home rupees 1,000. Yeah, this is Sampath. Congratulations. 15th place goes to Prashant KV. Prashant. Yes. He also scored 4.5 points. Takes home rupees 1,000. 16th place goes to Satvik Chakravarti. Satvik. Hello. This is Prashant KV. No, Satvik Chakravarti, right? You know what is it? He's 11 years. And he scored 4.5 in a big pool of women category. You have been on applause. This is Satvik Chakravarti. 17th place goes to Sudhir. Scored 4.5 points. Congratulations. 18th place goes to Raghav Purohit. He also scored 4.5 points. Takes home to this line. Next category, veteran. Veteran category, please line up. I request everyone to give a big round of applause to the veterans category because they nurture the chess, play and preserve till now. That's why they are enjoying. Is it true? Give them a big round of applause. This is Ganesh Raj. Scored 3.5 points. Takes home rupees 1,000. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations, Ganesh. Yeah. Give them a big round of applause. This is Ganesh. Second place goes to Basavat PS, whose rating is 1477. He also scored 3 points. Basavat is supposed to get Prabhakaran K. Prabhakaran K. He also scored 3 points. This is Prabhakaran who scored 3 points. 4 players goes to Kamsarve. Kamsarve to score 3 points. Congratulations, Kamsarve. Welcome. And the fifth player goes to Manjunath. Manjunath Gupta. That's 4-2-3. You know, he came from Chittoor, other players in the event. After the event, he only plays chess. He will be on the road. Manjunath Gupta. First round he could not play. He played from second round. Congratulations. Yeah. Now the youngest player, Surya Mittal. Surya Mittal, are you here? Surya Mittal. The youngest boy born on 19th March 2020. The youngest girl, Rihanshi Munagala. Rihanshi. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, congratulations. Rihanshi, congratulations. Surya Mittal, are you here? Surya Mittal. Next, underage boys and girls. Underage boys and girls. First underage boys. First underage boys. He deserves a clap. Yeah, big round of this is Alakasi. Score 16 of points. Runner-up is Rikesh Anand. Score 6 points. Congratulations, Rikesh. Congratulations, Rikesh. 6 points. Third place was Sai Anirudh. Gandham. Congratulations. Congratulations. Sai Anirudh. The fourth place goes to Vyakt Vidhan. Congratulations. You have to score 5 of points. Hello. Fifth place goes to Abhiyan Pandey. Abhiyan Pandey. 5 points more. Congratulations, Abhiyan. Sixth place goes to Ganesh K. Wow, wow. Abhiyan. Yeah. Yeah, this is Ganesh who also scored 5 points. Congratulations, Ganesh. Seventh place goes to Sachin Ye. Sajin Ye, this is Ganesh. Quick. We have many lists. Yeah, thank you. Seventh place goes to Sajin Ye. Sajin. Congratulations, Sajin. We have to score 5 points. Eighth place goes to Advik Agarwal. Advik, he is also scored 5 points. Congratulations. Ninth place goes to Arjun Krishnan. Arjun, congratulations. You have to score 5 points. Yeah, congratulations. There is Arjun Krishnan. Arhan Daya. Arhan Daya. Okay, you have to score 5 points. Congratulations. Girls category. Underage girls category. After this under 10 boys. Be ready. Now under 8 girls, first place goes to Lakshya point out of 7. Congratulations. Second place goes to Iravamini Pati, scored 4 points. Congratulations. I request parents goes to Tanisha Rai. Tanisha Rai scored 4 points. Congratulations. Fourth place goes to Harishivanya. Very good. Harishivanya. Fourth place. Fifth place goes to Hemashri. Hemashri. I request prize winners come this side. Yeah, prize winners please come on this side so that we can keep up track. Sixth place goes to Sharwari. Sixth place goes to Sharwari. She also scored 4 points. Seventh place goes to Alia Singh. Alia also scored 4 points. Fast, quick. Thank you. Alia Singh also scored 4 points. Seventh place. Eighth place goes to Kushita. She also scored. This is Kushita. She also scored 4 points. Ninth place goes to Vanya Mishra. Vanya Mishra also scored 4 points. Thank you, Kushita. Vanya also scored 4 points. 10th place goes to Shani Sahu. Thank you, Vanya. Thank you. Under 10 boys. Lakshmi Mahi. Yeah. Bega. The photographs will be shared on the website, so don't worry. Lakshmi Mahi scored 6 out of 7. Madhvi and Lakshmi scored 6 points. Both of them scored 6 points and when they scored, Lakshmi became a winner and Madhvi I request, please wait for 5 minutes. Everything will be done. I request all of you to be here for the group photo. Samrat. Varma Chaudhary. 6th place goes to Varma Chaudhary. Sharmia, yeah. Under 10 boys and girls, be ready for a group photo of under 10 alone. Okay? Under 10 boys and girls, after taking prize don't go. We'll have a group photo of each group. Okay, 7th place goes to Yuvan Singh. Yuvan Singh, congratulations. Yuvan Singh, he has scored 5 points. 8th place goes to Abhinav Rana. Abhinav Rama. Yeah, Abhinav Rama. Yeah. 9th place goes to Yashasvi Gautam. Yashasvi Gautam. He has scored 4.5 points. 10th place goes to Atharva Kumar. I request all the prisoners be ready. Under 10 girls, Hasini scored 5 points. There are 4 players who scored 5 points, and based on the better time rate, Hasini in the championship. Hasini scored 5 points. First place, second place goes to Anvita. Anvita Anand, she also scored 5 points. Third place goes to Vishita Mahajan, 5 points. Quick. Yeah, Vega. Rishita also scored 5 points. Fourth place goes to Arohi Kulkarni. Arohi, she also scored 5 points. Congratulations. Quick. Fifth place goes to Anjali P. 4.5 points. Congratulations. Sixth place goes to Anjali. 4.5 points. Sixth place goes to Akansha P. who rated with 1.61 and scored 4 points. Yeah, Akansha. Seventh place was Jyotika. Chess club. Yeah. Joshi Dave scored 4 points. Eighth place goes to Nainika Bola scored 4 points. Ninth place goes to Riksha. I request all the prize winners please come to dance for prize group photo under 10 prize winners. This is Riksha. Wait. Riksha will wait. Riksha and then place goes to Lakshika Khan. Lakshika. Congratulations. Yeah, Lakshika. Sorry. Wait. Okay, I request all the prize winners please come. Ninth place goes to Atharu Tandon. Tenth place goes to Arnav. Girls, first place goes to Sangini. She scored 6 points. Under the girl, Sangini. Her first place has scored 6 points. Second place goes to Nivalani. Scored -point. Third place goes to Sudiksha. Viva Ravi. Congratulations, Viva. She scores 5.5 points. Third place goes to Sudiksha. She scores 4.5 points. Congratulations. Fourth place goes to Lakshmi Priya. 4 points. Fifth place goes to Anvika Reddy. Anvika Reddy, congratulations. Sixth place goes to Ritika Gupta. Ritika Gupta, congratulations. Seventh place goes to Hafsa. Seventh place goes to Hafsa Firdaus. 2.5 points. Congratulations. Congratulations, Hafsa. Eighth place goes to Dinayan. Chinmay. I think Chinmay is not there. 10th place goes to Anjali Nayak. Rohina scored 3 points. 8th place goes to Monisha T. Under 14 category, please be ready for the group photo. 9th place goes to Durga Sanya. Durga, are you here? I think Durga is not there. Are you the college player? Please come here. Under 14 for group photo. Goes to Harshit Kiran Nayak. Scored 5.5 points out of 6. Congratulations. One more viewing. Congratulations. The first one of the players, Navneet Pian. Under the player scored 5 points. This is Navneet. Scored 5 points. Third player was Shiva Sharma. Shiva Sharma. He also scored 5 points. Thank you. Thank you, Navneet. This is Shiva Sharma. He will be on the bus. He also scored 5 points. This will go to R.R. Shivaswa. Scored 4.5 points. This is R.R. Shivaswa. Scored 4.5 points. This will go to Anand Patel. Chestnut. Chestnut. Yes, sir. Okay, 6th place goes to Ashwin Kannan. Ashwin Kannan. Congratulations, Ashwin. Scored 4 points. Congratulations. This is Ashwin Kannan. Scored 4 points. 7th place goes to Dhruva Guru Prasad. Dhruva Guru Prasad, he also scored 4 points. Thank you, Ashwin. Thank you, Ashwin. The 7th place goes to Dhruva Guru Prasad. 8th place goes to Satvik. Satvik Kapiru. Congratulations. Congratulations, Satvik. 9th place goes to Adityavi. 3.5 points. Thank you. Thank you. This is Aditya. And 10th place goes to Apamaya. Congratulations, Apamaya. Congrats. Yeah. Congratulations. Wow. This is Surabhi Kaushi. Congratulations. The runner-up is Akshita. 4 points. Third place goes to Adya NS. Adya NS. Congratulations, Adya. Thank you, Akshita. Yeah. Third place goes to Adya NS. She scored 3 points. Fourth place goes to Shravani Nayak. Second place goes to Rohina. 4 in a point. Congratulations. Congratulations, Susan. The first runner is J.S. Chester, who is winning 1-4-5-3. J.S. J.S. scored 4-4-5-3. Congratulations, J.S. Chester. Second runner, Kishore Krishnamurthy. He also scored 4 points. Kishore Krishnamurthy. He also scored 4 points. Fourth place goes to Shivaraju S. Shivaraju. Chess Club. Chess Club. Chess Club. Yes, Shivaraju. Fourth place. Fifth place goes to Varun Singha. Varun. Thank you. This is Varun. Congratulations. Sixth place goes to Lahul Jiyansu. Varun. Third place goes to Wagin. I request all the chess club players be here for the room photo. Chess club players be here for the photo, right? Wagin, third place. 8th place